Lesson 7. Page 27, Hush Little Baby has the right hand in C position with the left hand playing just that G right there in the left hand. So this is measure 5. I'm going to play it twice. The first time is piano, the second time is mezzo forte. Left hand's here. 1, 2, ready, play. Now we're going to play this as a duet, so move everything up 1 octave higher, up to here, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're on page 28. Let's take a trip. There's a dotted half note here, which means it gets 3 counts, just like 3 of these quarter notes. And we're in 3/4 time. That's what these big giant numbers mean. The 3 means we're going to be counting to 3 over and over again. There are 3 beats in each measure. And the 4 on the bottom means that every quarter note gets 1 count. All right, so this has the thumb on D, the left thumb on C. Which means we're going to put our hands just like this. This right thumb's on D, this left thumb's on C, and we'll be starting with the right hand 4th finger. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. Now we're going to go 1 octave higher and play this as a duet. Here we go. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Take out the red performance book, and we're going to play page 10 and 11. Fuba Wooba John has the thumbs together on middle C, right here. 1, 2, right thumb, go. beginning. This time as a duet, we're going to go one octave higher up to here and do the same thing. 1, 2, ready, play. Cloud pictures on page 11. Here we have the left thumb on C, the right thumb is on D. And again, notice that there's down stems, which are for the left hand to play. Like this is left hand, that's left hand also. These up stems are all for the right hand to play. And we have dotted halves, so we have to count to 3 on those notes. Here's the right thumb and here's the left thumb. Starts with the left thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. And go one octave higher up to here. We'll play this as a duet now. All right. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. We're going to go on to the pink piano book. And today we're playing pages 22 and 23. Spaceflight. Notice on Spaceflight, we've got these big jumps here. These are skips, 1, 3, 5. And then it goes down by skips, 5, 3, 1. We're skipping the letter D and the letter F, right? So that's skips going up, skips going down. But notice what happens right here. It changes. These are not skipping at all. This is one finger at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is movement by step. Here we have movement in the left hand going by skips. 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, skipping my left hand fingers. And then right here, it changes to movement by step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it just makes some switches there. Again, try to keep your eyes on the score the whole time that you're playing this. Just get yourself in position. And once you're in the right position, then don't look at your hands or my hands either. Look at the score on page 22. Spaceflight. Ready, play. Left thumb. Back to the beginning. Circus Fun on page 23. This will start with the left-hand 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning. Now go 1 octave higher with the duet right here. 1, 2, ready, play. And now we're going to go on to the technique book. Technique book, pages 4 and 5 today. Same position. This is in 2/4 time. We're going to count to 2, and there are 2 beats per measure. 1, 2, ready, play. Ocean octopus on the bottom, counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, left thumb. Back to the beginning. Merry-go-round on page 5 at the top. Notice here we have skipping motion. It goes big jumps here by skips and back down by skips and back up by skips, and then it changes to steps. Here we have the left hand playing by skips, and then it changes to steps also. There's a skip right there. All right, from the beginning. Right thumb, ready, play. To the beginning. Circus Clown on the bottom of page 5 starts with a left hand 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning again. Measure 5. The bottom of the page, right hand 5. Okay, now we're going to go to the performance book. This book. And be playing pages 10 and 11 today. So this is the Halloween fun. This song starts over here and it ends over here. This page is the same exact notes as this page over here. It looks different. I mean, the pictures are different, the words are different, but the notes you're going to play on the piano are exactly the same on both pages. So each line, there are 4 lines here. This is right hand. Each of the 4 lines begins with movement by skipping. You're going to skip over fingers, like right here in the beginning here. This is going to go 1, 3, 5, 3. That's movement by skip. 1, 3, 5, 3. I'm skipping fingers, right? Then it changes to steps. Now here's the left hand. It also starts with moving by skipping. 5, 3, 1, 3, and then it changes to stepping motion. This is all steps, 1 finger at a time. At measure 11, this is skipping also. 1, 3, 5, 3. And then it changes to steps. And here is the left hand playing by skips and changing to steps. So let's see if we can do this. Here's our hand position just like this with both hands. Real slow. 1, 2, ready, play. This is skipping, right? Then go up a step, then down by steps. That gets 2 counts as a half note. Now, here's the left hand 5. Goes by skips and changes to steps here. Hold that for 4 counts. Now go to page 11 right away without stopping. And movement back to steps. And here's the bottom of page 11, left hand 5. Skipping motion here. And then stepping.